Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter, boom, 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 review. I'm trying to do a review video, you're so loud. I am outside of a bank right now. I was at the Meijer across the street and I hadn't thought that I was gonna do this video, but then I was driving away. I'm like sinking down real low. I was driving away and I thought, you know what, I wanna do this video because this is an idea that somebody did for me years and years and years ago, and I loved what they did, and so I wanted to show you guys this. I'm sure it's not a new idea, it's something that a lot of people have done, but I wanted to show it to you guys, and that is putting together a little housewarming present for somebody. So, our good Judy, Alex's best friend, just recently bought a house, and she moved in today after being with the movers till like 2 o'clock in the morning. She's finally in her house. I know it's very loud, you guys, I apologize. So I wanted to go and get her something today, and Alex is getting something for her too. But anyway, so there's a car coming, right? I mean, like, I'm like literally at this empty bank, and I'm trying to make a review video. Anyway, years and years and years ago, I moved into an apartment, and a friend of mine got me a basket from Trader Joe's, and they put tea in it, and candles, and body wash, and all kinds of stuff, and it was very, very cool. And do you see this? This bank, I sat outside here for like minutes, and it was totally dead. Anyway, and I know you can't see me, but I do have my coffee. Okay. So they put this care package together for me, this basket. I know the lighting is horrible, I apologize. But it was so cool what they did, and I loved everything about it, that I wanted to do the same thing for her. So I have felt like crap today, all day today. I've been just around the house. I had a cough earlier. I just have not felt great. And so I was like, I want to go to Meijer, and I want to get out of myself. And so I went through there, and I got a basket. I was like, I am just going to pick out things that if I was in a new house that I would want. So let me show you. Okay, so first of all, I got this little towel. The lighting in here is so bad. I wish that I had like a flashlight or something in here, but I don't. And there's no, is there a light right above there? There's no. So I got this little towel. You can see it's like a Christmas towel. I'm wondering if I should maybe move the lighting. Hold on just one second. Everything about this video is so low quality. Anyway, I moved around. So let me show you, first of all, before I get into all of this. I had like a wooden basket. I wanted to buy it because it looked aesthetically pleasing. But I thought, what do you need when you move into a new house? So I actually bought her this laundry basket, and it was $7.99. So I thought it was kind of a cute one. And then I went in here, and this Christmas towel looks just like her dog, so I bought that. And then I just kind of walked around, and I bought some things that are my favorite things that I thought that she would maybe want to have. So for example, we always use loofahs, so I got loofahs. And then, okay, you guys know that I love these candle wax things. So I got her this candle wax thing. It's by Fusion. It's $25. We have 2 of them. They last forever. I should have gone home and filmed this video. I was like, Peter, go home and film this video. Listen, he works hard for the money, so hard for your honey. Anyway, I was gonna go home and make this video, and I thought, listen, I'm on my way over to her house right now. I thought, just film the video, it'll be fine. So anyway, I got her this Fusion, woo, so out of breath. This Fusion candle wax burner, and it's a really cute one, and it's metal, and it's kind of one that I think can fit into anybody's house, because I don't really know how she's designing her house or what she's doing with it. All I know is that she and my husband like to drink wine together and light candles, okay? That they used to party down at college together, Indiana University, okay? Go IU, go Hoosiers. They're gonna be down there this weekend, tailgating for an IU game, but they used to do all that. Now, they just sit around the house and they drink wine and light candles and talk about the woes of the world. Okay, so I bought her that, and then I didn't really know what scents she likes, but I think she's more like spa scents like my husband. So I bought her this Happy Day, and then I got her this Amber Cashmere. Oh my God, you guys, this is like one of my favorites. And these are all by Fusion, which is the same company that makes the candle wax. Oh my God, it smells so good, candle wax burner. And then I got her Midnight Gaze. And then I also got this Yankee candle, Santa's Treats, because it's like sugar cookies. Smells so good. I got it for myself the other day. Oh my God. Now y'all know I did not go into the Meijer and just buy for her, okay? I bought some things for myself too. So anyway, I got that. And then the first thing I got, actually, let me show you this because I'm trying to kind of keep this a little bit organized. I always think it's nice to give people plants, but you never know what kind of plants people like. Some people don't like to take care of plants, on and on and on. Now, I like little bonsai plants and succulents and things like that. So I got her this little bamboo plant. Now, I don't know anything about this. Don't come for me, okay? But supposedly, bamboo's good luck. So I got her that. And then I got her this little, it's called like a Japanese something tree. A Japanese juniper tree. So I got her these little, there's my thumbnail. I got her this little, these two little plants. I thought that would be nice for her house. Now, like I said, well, I'll get to the wine stuff in just a second. So then, I bought her, now these were on sale for $5.99, and they're actually really nice quality. A 12-pack washcloths, and they come in gray, black, lighter gray, and white. So I got her those. They have a cute little bow on it. That would also make for a great Christmas present. And then I got her some all-white ones, too. Because I thought, you know, you can never have enough all-white handkerchiefs. Do people use handkerchiefs anymore? My grandfather back in the day used to use handkerchiefs. My mom would always say to me, do you need a handkerchief? Where'd my coffee go? Oh, hold on a second. Whew. You didn't expect that, did you? I came right on the other side. Woo! I'm 50 and I like to kick. I'm 50 and I like to kick. Okay. Woo! So, got my coffee. Okay. So I got that. Then I was talking to my Gajiti on the phone, my other Gajiti, and I was like, what else should I get her? Well, I mean, everybody needs a plunger. Woo! So I got her plunger for her toilet, because listen, we all poop. Okay, so then I wanted to get her some of my favorite cleaning supplies. So Mrs. Meyer's has out their holiday collection now. So I got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. This is the peppermint scent, multi-surface cleaner. It smells, whew, oh my God. It smells so good, okay? And then, this was kind of an impromptu video. I didn't plan for this video, okay? And then I got her the house soap, the hand soap that goes with it. So you can put this in your kitchen, okay? Or your bathroom, or wherever. And then my new favorite is, I just bought this the other day, the Mrs. Meyer's Orange Clove Scent, multi-purpose. This is fantastic, you guys. I was just talking about this in my vlog the other night, and I love it. So I got her that. Hold on a second, it's all falling down. And then I also got her the matching hand soap, because you have to have both of them. Okay. So then I saw these, and I was like, oh my God, these were on sale. They were $3.99 each, and I thought they were so fantastic that I actually bought myself some too. And that is these Elle and Kate gel eye pads, and they're like cucumber. Are those not so cute? So I got those. And then I also got this Elle and Kate gel eye mask, Hot and Cold Relief, $3.99, to go with her, because she has a nice new bathtub in her house. So I got, now these are not high end or anything like that, but I got her these. These are bath fizzers, and this one is mango, and this one is creamy, family friendly, oh my God. And this one is creamy, rich coconut. So I thought she'd like those. Okay, now. Okay, so then I went on to the wine thing, because she likes to host little get-togethers and things like that. Okay, so I got her this Christmassy thing, and it's a wine topper, and you see it's a little snowman. How cute is that? I think it was like 10 bucks or something like that. It wasn't too expensive. I don't know, it doesn't say on here, but anyway, I got her that. And then, when she's just sitting around her house by herself, I got her this, now there was one that said Mrs. Claus's sippy cup or something like that, but I got her this one instead, because I thought that she could take this tailgating with her. It's for hot or cold, and it's green, and it says get lit on it. And see, it has little lights around it. Is that not so cute? Now, y'all know I don't drink, okay? I don't imbibe in the spirits. Now, if you do, okay, just a little advice for you if you imbibe in the spirits around the holiday seasons, okay? You don't want to start fighting with your family, okay? Listen, I know that you're mad, okay, that your mom doesn't like your husband. I'm just saying, if your husband's sitting right there watching this video with you, okay, it's the truth, okay? I know your mom doesn't like your husband. I'm sorry, okay? But you don't want to get lit, okay, and then tell your mom to F off, because she's your mom, okay? You don't want to tell her that, okay? Listen, you also don't want to tell your sister she's a fool for marrying that dude, okay? You don't want to be drinking and getting lit, okay? And then be telling your sister she's a fool for marrying that dude, okay? I'm just saying, all right? Okay? There's a lot of things we don't want to tell family at Christmas time. You know, that's why I don't abide by the spirits anymore, because back when I did, I was good to tell people what I really thought, okay? I'm just saying, you don't want to do that. But anyway, I got her this cup, and I think it's real cute, right? Okay, see? Metal inside, keep things hot and cold. I sort of got, not one person is doing any business at this bank. It is closed down. And I think people are just driving through here because they're like, oh my God, there's that world famous reviewer, Peter Monn. Okay, so I got him that. Now, this one I thought was really, real cool. $12.99. I think it's a great buy. And it's by Ello. And it is perfect for entertaining. 4-piece wine glass set with protective silicone sleeves. And it says on here, built-in coaster. Do you see these? Now, they look cuter in person than they do. You can't really, they look like those Contigo cups. Like, they look real high-end. They look nicer. So, anyway, protective sleeve, all parts dishwasher safe, no slip grip, party-rific. A color for every guest. And I think this would be great for Christmas presents, too, for, like, good Judies and friends and stuff like that. So, anyway, I thought that was real nice, and you don't have to worry about your friends getting drunk on the Kendall Jackson and spilling all their stuff. Okay. I think that's everything that I got her right here. Let me put this stuff back the way I had it. Hold on a second. Clean up as you go, you know. So anyway, her dog is so cute. Oh my God, she's gonna die. Okay, so I got all that stuff in there. And then, okay, the cease de resistance at the end is that I got her my favorite laundry detergent, okay, which is Gain. And I got her a big container of the Gain, and then I got her a container of the what do you call it, the fresh things. But we need this too. We need this too, because we're out of laundry detergent. So anyway, and then I got her the, do you know the fireworks? The fireworks, I love that stuff. So anyway, but that's what you do. You just, whew. I gotta show you guys something else too. Here, oh, here's my peppermint that I bought. You didn't think I went up in there and didn't buy anything for myself, did you? True story. I bought all kinds of review stuff in here. Now, this is not Sally Joe, okay? This is Sally Joe's long lost cousin, Sammy Joe. Here he is, Sammy Joe. I bought it for my nephews, because I'm keeping Sally Joe, but Sammy Joe's gonna go to my nephew's house. Hello, you know Sally Joe. She's got problems, let me tell you. Okay, thank you, Sammy Joe. You're going to my nephew's, okay? So anyway, okay, Sammy Joe. That kind of took a turn for the worse. So anyway, Sammy Joe, we love you. He's going over to my nephew's house because I'm giving them the book, The Elf on the Shelf, and all that kind of stuff. So it'll be real cute. Anyway, so that's everything that I bought her. And, you know, I just think it's really cute to put kind of like some little package together when your friend moves in. You don't have to buy. I mean, I got up to the register and I was like, holy cannoli. Holy cannoli. Damn it, Janet. I was like, I spent a little bit more money than I wanted to, but she deserves it. It's her first house. I'm very excited for her. You know, but you don't have to do that. Like my friends back in the day, they put together some coffee, some cheese, you know, some hummus, some tea, a little coffee mug in there. It was real nice, right? And I really appreciated it. And it was so like heartfelt because they went in there and they picked out each thing. And so that's kind of all about it. So anyway, and this is something you could do for a Christmas present too, you know? For my dad and my stepmom, they kind of buy what they want for Christmas. So Alex and I usually put a little basket together of things that they like, that we know that they like, you know, because they just like certain kinds of, you know, cheeses and stuff like that, and we know that they like it. So we put that together and we give it to them, and, you know, then they have those things around that maybe, you know, they wouldn't normally get at the grocery store. Little things like that, you know. And Trader Joe's and Whole Foods are great places to go get that stuff because you can find soaps, you can find, you know, all kinds of different cheeses, desserts, things that you wouldn't normally buy. So it's fun to put together a little housewarming present, or, you know, if somebody's having a Christmas or holiday open house, to go buy them and put together a little package like this. I think it's really fun. And it doesn't have to be a lot of money. I mean, you could go literally to the dollar store, spend $10 and put it together, and just find some old basket you have at your house, or a bag, or whatever, you know. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that little impromptu haul. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.